Hey, it's me, Donnie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming to you guys with another unboxing. Long time no talk. So this is actually going to be something that I actually saved for and committed to a no-buy month. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I got it from good old Fashionphile, but this is what the inside of the Fashionphile box looks like. Got the little what do you call these little tissue paper dots? And here's the bag. As you can probably already tell, I did pre-unbox this because I just wanted to get to the bag. Like, who cares about the ceremony of unboxing? You're here for the bag. So this bag came in this nice large Fashionphile dust bag, and here is the bag in question. All right, and just so you can get a quick mod shot, this is kind of like a shoulder slash crossbody bag. I wonder if any of y'all can tell what model of bag this is by looking at it. It's from 1999. I'll let y'all get close up on it so you can see that it is definitely in used condition. Okay, but considering how old this bag is actually 20 years old. This bag is from 1999. It's in really awesome shape. Give y'all a close up here on the hardware. Now that you've seen it, just so you can get another quick mod shot, this is what it looks like crossbody and probably how I will wear it most of the time. This bag is the Hermes Vespa. I'd say that the most similar bag to this vintage bag currently in Hermes's line is the Hermes Evelyn. The Evelyn has what, like a snap closure though, whereas the Vespa has this cute little detail here that pokes through a hole. And then when you open the bag has like stuff in it that I'm going to take out. It's one big open hole. Okay? Now, this bag is in, oh, wait a second. I didn't realize it. This bag comes with a second dust bag. Oh, it actually came with its Hermes dust bag, or some Hermes dust bag. I got two dust bags for the price of one. I think when I ordered this bag, I wasn't aware that it came with an Hermes dust bag, so I wasn't expecting to get one. Wonder if that was just one they had lying around or what. This is the Hermes Tyrian Clemence Vespa PM specifically. So this is Clemence leather. And I did try and get y'all up close on here so you could get an idea of the wear and tear, but I feel like the wear and tear does add some character to the bag. The only thing that really bothers me, I guess, would be if my camera can focus. There is a little tear here, so maybe I will still spot, but I probably will wear it a couple times then take it to the spa because I do want to enjoy the bag. And I am aware that taking things to the spa requires that Hermes hold on to it for months at a time. And then there is quite a bit of wear here on the ring. Here, I don't know if it's gonna show up, but I'd say that area, yeah, I'd say the corners are the areas where there's the most wear. Let me see if the camera can catch that. I did want an Hermes piece. I did want something vintage so I could get an idea of what this brand is like long term. And again, I have some things that I'm eyeing that I want to get from the Hermes store, but I just wanted to own a piece of Hermes leather to justify other things for myself. So I said, let me go the pre-loved route first. If you're curious about how much this bag was, I believe it was $900. Don't quote me. Matter of fact, let me go on the Fashionphile app and actually look and give y'all the price that I got. This was $850 and then $935 with tax. Under their buyback program, items purchased from Fashionphile may be sold back for 75% of what you paid within a year. So let's say I want to sell this back to Fashionphile, I can get 75% of the purchase price back, which is great, to be completely honest with you, which also makes me wonder, should I decide to get this spa'd, how much would I get at that point? You know what I mean? Because Fashionphile described this as in good condition, and I really feel like this bag has more than another lifetime left. My God, it's 20 years old, and I think this is a really classic style, which is why I got it. Another big part of the reason why I got this particular one was because I wanted to see what the gold leather looked like in person. However, now that I have something in gold leather, I would probably want to get a pop of color from Hermes. So this would probably be for sure my everyday bag. There's a little part of me that's like, ooh, you know, like a Kelly in like bamboo, or in like another cool green color would be dope, or maybe in blue. I love gold hardware. So, you know, like my brain churns about that stuff. Obviously, I'm really interested in like their silks and other stuff, but I'm very excited about this bag. This was a birthday present for myself, and I did actually use the money that I saved over the course of a month to get this. And I'm very happy with this bag. It fits quite a bit. Here's my wallet and keys, okay? And my cell phone. And AirPods. And I have my Dior clutch here, makeup, hairbrush, like, and just so you can see, honey, it, like, we have so much more to go. Like, this would really be an awesome everyday bag. I have an iPad here. I believe the iPad fits in here no problem. That was another thing for me with this bag. I was like, oh, you know, I could fit a book in here. Oh yeah, iPad. No problem. Now, I will say once the iPad gets in there though, things start to get a little misshapen. So that's something to keep in mind. I don't see myself buying a bag insert for this because it's vintage, because the leather is relaxed and all of that. I don't see myself really babying this bag either. I think just knowing the fact that I could spa this bag whenever, you know, I feel like it, has me kind of feeling like live, you know what I'm saying, enjoy the bag and, you know, use it. I don't want to baby this, you know, which is why I went pre-loved and vintage. But this is a beautiful bag. It is definitely super broken in leather, really soft. Surprisingly, for a 20-year-old bag, it does not have a smell whatsoever outside of like the standard smell of leather, which is crazy to me. I wonder if there's anything like kind of maybe even has like slight leather seat, like car seat smell, kind of. Yeah, it just smells like leather. It's not even like a strong smell or anything like that. I don't know how Fashionphile stores these, but however they're storing them, good on them, because this is beautiful, one, and two, it doesn't have an offensive smell. Now, what is kind of nice about this bag is it goes perfectly well with the first Hermes piece that I also got from Fashionphile, which was my bolide case, which I absolutely love. I use this as an everyday bag quite a bit, and actually today when I was out for my birthday, I wore this crossbody, but now that I have this, I think that the bolide case will be spending a lot more time as a carry-all for my bag. I am very happy with this bag, and actually I've had it for a little bit of time. I just wanted to wait until my birthday to show it off because I did get it for myself as a birthday gift. But this is my first ever vintage bag purchase. I'm very happy with it, and this was one of those bags that was kind of like on my capsule collection list. I kind of don't mind playing the game with Hermes. I don't need to get a Birkin or a Kelly tomorrow, and there are quite a lot of things from the brand that I'm interested in getting. I am moving to a new apartment at the end of this week, and there were a lot of really cool home goods that I would love to get just to spoil myself. And again, because I'm stuck inside with COVID, having these nice little trinkets at home is just going to make home feel that much more luxurious. So be on the lookout for those videos. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Do you think the price was fair? I think it was fair. This bag isn't that common. I haven't seen a lot of videos on it on YouTube either, which is kind of what attracted me to it as well. And I did want something kind of on the sportier side. I think with the cloth strap, it's a bit sportier, and it did kind of remind me of the Evelyn, but not too much. I also didn't want a bag that like screamed name brand, because I do have all my logo stuff from Louis Vuitton. So yeah, anyway, this is my new bag, and I'm very excited about it. And again, you know, it's all about treating yourself good, working hard and playing hard. And yeah, my next couple videos will probably be in a new space. I have a couple empties videos that I need to film, so I'll probably be filming those. And then yeah, starting in March, I will be in a new spot. So yeah, till later. Peace.